Beautiful attached villa with golf course views. The Cheshire floor plan has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus den, and a 2-car garage. This attached villa has a new roof, pool, crown molding, chair rail, custom mirror, built-in bookshelves, updated bathroom fixtures, and is close to the clubhouse and amenities. Cedar Hammock is a Gordon Lewis and Jed Azinger designed 18-hole championship course with more than 50% of the community dedicated to lakes, wetlands, and wildlife corridors. There are 4 heated community pools, 4 lighted Har-Tru tennis courts, clubhouse with dining at the grill room, and full-service Dolphin Bar in the pool area. Cedar Hammock location is close to the beaches, the historic areas of downtown 5th Avenue and 3rd Street with shopping, dining, and theaters.